A fixed partial denture, also known as a dental bridge, is a dental restoration that replaces one or more missing teeth by anchoring artificial teeth to neighboring natural teeth or dental implants. The artificial teeth fill the gaps left by missing teeth, restoring both the appearance and function of teeth. Benefits of fixed partial dentures over removable partial dentures include 1. Stability. Fixed partial dentures are securely attached to adjacent teeth or implants, providing better stability and reducing the risk of slippage or dislodgment. 2. Aesthetics. They offer a more natural appearance as they are custom-made to match the color, shape, and size of the patient's natural teeth. 3. Function. Fixed partial dentures restore proper chewing function, making it easier to eat a wide variety of foods comfortably. 4. Convenience. Unlike removable dentures, fixed partial dentures do not require removal for cleaning and can be cared for like natural teeth. 5. Speech. They can improve speech patterns, as they don't shift or click during talking, which can sometimes happen with removable dentures. 6. Bone preservation. By filling the gaps left by missing teeth, fixed partial dentures help maintain the structure of the jawbone and prevent bone loss. However, it's essential to consult with a dentist to determine the most suitable option for your specific dental needs and overall oral health.
Read the description below for more information on this, and follow Brace Dental Clinic's YouTube page for more dental education videos.